Hey everybody, it's the cooking mom, Amy Hanton, in the kitchen, my kitchen at home here in Sheboygan, Wisconsin, with Arlo, who's around here somewhere hanging out with me. I just wanted to check in and share another recipe for this week and just see how you're doing and all that kind of stuff. It's been a bit of a tough Monday for me, I have to be honest. Is anybody else struggling a little bit today? And I feel really guilty because it's not like, I feel healthy, I feel so blessed. There's nothing bad happening in my household or, my little, community here. But I know so many people are suffering and our healthcare workers and just all of it. So I don't know what my deal is today. I guess I think I'm having, it was a lovely weekend, I guess. And then Monday hits and it's Monday, and then on top of it you've got everything else going on. And I had a call from my daughter who's at the University of Minnesota, and I think like a lot of college students who are struggling with having all of a sudden their college is online, and it's never been online for her before, and there's really a lot of commitment to that, and she's says that some teachers are really hitting it out of the park and really have been wonderful, and others are kind of like you're on your own. So it's not easy. I get it. And so I just wanted to let you know how I'm feeling. I'm hoping you're maybe having a better Monday than me. Not that my Monday's bad. It isn't. I actually, washed my sheets today, and I'm gonna head out for a walk, and I'm excited about dinner, but I'm just having one of those days, one of those Mondays. And as I told my daughter, we're gonna have those days. There's gonna be a lot of highs, a lot of lows, but we are, compared to all of the suffering that is going on, that we are so incredibly blessed. Easter Sunday, of course, coming up in just a few days this week, and we're still debating whether to do a ham or not, because it's going to be a very small Easter in our house, and maybe yours too. It's going to be like no Easter ever before. So I've got an idea for you. Why not, if you're not going to do a big ham, you can still make Easter delicious, and I've got a recipe that would be perfect. It's a one skillet wonder, as I call them, a chicken cordon bleu. So it's still got your ham, it's got cheese, it's delicious, feels kind of fancy, but it's super easy, budget friendly, and let's get to it. All right, so the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna melt a little bit of butter in my skillet. And this happens to be one of my absolute favorite kitchen appliances. It is I'm a fan of electric skillets. I've been using one since I was in college. And this is one I fell in love with. It's made by Nesco, and they make, the roasters and slow cookers, and they make this electric skillet and another one too. But what I love about this, it's new. They've only been making it about a year or so, and I was doing demos with this at the Chicago Houseware Show last year, and I quickly fell in love with it because of its size. I was making breakfast, like a breakfast casserole skillet, and nothing sticks. And about 2 weeks ago, when I was doing my Facebook Live video and showing everybody how to make my homemade caramel corn, a recipe I've been making since I was a kid, you may have seen that recipe, and if you didn't, it's still online. You can see the recipe and the video online. But this sticky, ooey gooey caramel, nothing sticks to it, so I love that, and I love that it's super deep. So I'm seasoning up my chicken breasts, and we're having this for dinner tonight. So the recipe calls for 4 chicken breasts, but I'm just gonna do 2 because there's just 2 of us here tonight. And I season them up with some garlic salt and some pepper, because I happen to love garlic salt, but just regular salt would work too. I'm gonna do a little bit more butter, but that's the nice thing about this electric skillet, is it's super nice, and the non-stick surface, you can actually use a little less butter or a little less oil. So I love that about it. And the cleanup is an absolute breeze. And you'll see I'm gonna make this entire dish in this skillet. I'm all about keeping things easy and clean up easy these days. We're spending so much time in our homes that, they get messy a lot quicker. Yesterday was my big cleaning day. We actually got our outdoor space all squared away. We're ready for spring. We're ready to be able to sit outside and enjoy dinner and cooking out. So we got a lot accomplished yesterday, and got the whole house clean, and it felt so good. So I want to be keeping my kitchen nice and clean, and one skillet wonders are a great way to go. So I'm just gonna, again, season both sides. And depending on the size of your family, 2, 4, you can even get away with 6 chicken breasts. You see the nice color we're getting on that? So I started a giveaway. I thought we need something fun, right? So I started a giveaway with Nesco last week. We gave away one of those 6-quart roasters, and Brandy entered the contest. We have a bunch of people entered, but Brandy, we announced on Friday, was our big winner of the Nesco roaster. Well, this week on Facebook, we are giving away this 12-inch really awesome electric skillet. So if you entered last week, you're still in on this. But if you didn't enter, please enter on Facebook for your chance to win, and we will announce the winner on Friday. Again, you get a 12-inch skillet, and it's awesome. You can even do lasagna in here. All right, so I'm going to take the chicken breasts out of the pan, and they're not cooked all the way through, but they have some nice color. And we're going to take advantage of all the brown bits in the bottom, which is also called fond. That's the fancy French term for it. So basically, I'm adding to this, I'm making a delicious sauce to go with this chicken. So I'm adding 1 can of cream of chicken soup. This happens to be actually cream of chicken with herbs. I thought, oh, we'll give that a try. Why not? And then I'm also going to add some dry white wine, and this is just an inexpensive bottle we happen to have on hand. And don't be alarmed if it kind of sizzles like that. That is a good thing. And the alcohol is going to cook out. It's just going to leave some really nice flavor. If you don't want to cook with the alcohol, you can just use chicken stock. That works just fine too. So I'm whisking this together, and I'm also going to add a little bit of milk. By the way, still a chance to win that Nesco roaster on Instagram. If you follow me on Instagram, just go to The Cooking Mom and follow me on Instagram. You have until tomorrow. We're going to be picking the winner for the Nesco roaster. So double your chance to win. All right, so this is just going to, as it simmers a second, the sauce is going to come together, and we're going to put the chicken right back in here. I hope you all had a great weekend and were able to just relax a little bit and come down and enjoy the sunshine. It was sunny and beautiful here in Wisconsin yesterday, and it's just amazing what a difference a little bit of sunshine makes, doesn't it? Just felt really good with all that we're going through. All right, so back in goes our chicken, and any juices that accumulated on the plate, just get those on in there too. I like a lot of sauce. So then we're going to bring this up to a simmer, and the chicken is going to cook as it simmers. So the other thing about this skillet is it's got a lid. So we're going to actually cover that. So first I'm going to throw down cordon bleu is ham and cheese. So this is a 1 skillet wonder chicken cordon bleu. And so basically I'm taking some thinly sliced deli ham. This is also a great recipe if you've got leftover ham for Easter. This is something that we do with leftover ham. So if you aren't making it, for Easter, tuck this recipe away for next week and you are doing a big ham and you've got some leftovers. You can make this next week for dinner. I love leftovers. That's one of the things that is making me think I do want to do an Easter ham. 1, they're really affordable right now. And 2, I'm trying to cook a lot for my pantry, a lot for my kitchen, and cook 1 meal and get a few different meals out of it. So that's making me think I might do an Easter ham. Plus, I have an amazing Easter ham glaze that is so easy, and it is just will take your ham to the next level, and I want to share that with you. So I think I'm talking myself into doing a ham, even if it's not a big one, just so I can show you how to do the glaze, and I can take the leftovers and make a slow cooker, a ham and split pea soup, and I do a lot of things with that leftover ham. So anyway, at this point you want to cover this, and the chicken will continue to cook, and then the cheese will get all melty and the ham will get all warm. This is wonderful served with mashed potatoes because you're going to have all that great sauce from the wine and the cream of chicken soup and those drippings from the chicken. It's also really great over rice pilaf or wild rice or buttered egg noodles. Great with asparagus or a salad, and then a wonderful dessert, and you've got yourself one heck of a delicious Easter dinner. And if you're looking for a lot of recipes for Easter, I do some make-ahead brunch bakes that will knock your socks off, really wow everybody. A blueberry overnight French toast bake. Lots of wonderful fruit salads, way to dress up your fruit salads. The perfect way to do hard-boiled eggs. If you haven't dyed those eggs yet and you're doing that with the kiddos this week, I strongly encourage you to check out my blog on how to boil the perfect eggs. Sometimes we need a little reminder, and I've got a secret to the way I do mine. And by the way, if you're interested in this skillet or a roaster or a slow cooker, new slow cooker, and you want to support a great Wisconsin company, Nesco, they were so nice that they actually are giving friends of The Cooking Mom a 20% discount. So you can just go to my website, thecookingmom.com, click the shop tab. That's where you'll be able to order my cookbooks from Amazon, and you'll see a special discount code there, 20% off, The Cooking Mom 20, and that'll save you a little dough, which is nice. I think we're all doing a lot more online shopping these days, and so it's fun to treat yourself to something new, especially now that we're spending so much time in the kitchen. Okay, back to the Skillet Chicken Cordon Bleu. I'm gonna turn it down just a little bit because it's simmering a little bit too high. If you could smell this right now, oh man, it smells amazing. I'm just gonna top it. The recipe calls for fresh parsley. We didn't have any, so just some dried parsley will work great. And there you go, quick, easy dinner. Perfect for this week, perfect for the leftover ham, or a really nice but simple Easter dinner. Thank you all for the encouragement. It brightens my day so much. You guys bring sunshine into my life, letting me know that you enjoy these at home in my kitchen live cooking segments. I love it when you give me the thumbs up, or you comment, or you share what I'm doing. It means so much. It keeps me going. It keeps me energized, and it makes me excited to get up every day and share something new. So I will be back here tomorrow. Not sure what I'm making yet, but all week long I'm going to be doing easy things from your pantry, from your fridge, from your freezer, on things that you can make this week for Easter to make it special, even though it's not going to be, like other Easters. It's going to be a little different, but I am still here to help you make it special and enjoyable. We're all hanging in there. Hopefully you are too, doing the best that you can. Ooh, the sun just came out again. It's been in and out in Sheboygan today. So hopefully we're going to get out and take Arlo on a walk in a little bit. So enjoy the rest of your afternoon and evening. Again, you can get this recipe from my Skillet Cordon Bleu on my website or right underneath on the description. I'm going to hang out with you here like I always do on Facebook for the next half hour or so, responding to any questions. I love it when you let me know what you're up to, how your Monday's going. Am I the only one that's in a bit of a Monday funk? I hope so. I hope you're not. But anyway, hang in there. And I also am looking for new shows to watch because I have no idea what to watch. I have run out of stuff. So if you have any suggestions, please let me know. Please take care and have a wonderful rest of your Monday. We'll see you back here tomorrow.